Welcome to Freema Language, the channel where you improve your English step by step every day. If you want to speak better English but don't have much time, this video is perfect for you. Today, you will learn quick English tips that you can use immediately to sound clearer, more natural, and more confident. These are small changes, but they create big results. Before we begin, like this video, subscribe to Freema Language, and comment, "I am improving my English." Let's start. One of the biggest problems English learners face is waiting. Waiting to feel ready, waiting to feel confident, and waiting to be perfect. But English improves when you speak, not when you wait. Even if your sentence is simple or not perfect, speaking trains your brain and your mouth. The fastest way to speak better English is to start speaking now with the English you already know. Better English is not about difficult vocabulary. It is about clear communication. Simple words help people understand you faster and help you feel more relaxed when speaking. Instead of trying to sound advanced, focus on being clear. When you speak clearly, confidence grows naturally, and conversations become easier. Translating in your head slows you down and makes speaking stressful. A quick tip is to think in short English phrases instead of full sentences. For example, think, "I'm busy," "not sure," or "one moment." These small phrases help your brain switch into English mode and improve your speaking speed. One of the fastest ways to improve is to copy how native speakers talk. Listen carefully to pronunciation, rhythm, and intonation. You don't need to copy everything, just short sentences and common expressions. When you repeat what you hear, your English becomes more natural without extra effort. Many learners try to speak too fast and feel nervous. Speaking slowly helps you think clearly and pronounce words better. Native speakers often speak slowly when they want to be clear. Slowing down does not make your English worse. It makes it stronger and more confident. When you need time to think, use simple filler phrases instead of stopping completely. Phrases like, "let me think," "just a moment," or "that's a good question," help your speech flow naturally. These phrases make you sound more confident and give your brain time to organize your thoughts. Speaking better English requires daily practice, even if it's only a few minutes. Read sentences out loud, repeat after videos, or talk about your day in English. Speaking out loud builds muscle memory and improves pronunciation faster than silent study. Mistakes are part of learning English. Every mistake shows that you are trying, and trying leads to improvement. People understand you more than you think. Focus on communication, not perfection. Confidence grows when you accept mistakes and keep speaking. To speak better English quickly, use it in real situations. Talk to yourself, think about your plans in English, or describe what you see around you. Real-life use makes English practical, natural, and easier to remember. You don't need hours of study to improve. Small daily habits create big changes. 5 or 10 minutes of focused English practice every day is more powerful than long study sessions once a week. Consistency is the secret to speaking better English. You can improve your English faster than you think. Every time you speak, you get better. Every small effort matters. Believe in your progress and trust the process. Better English is built step by step, minute by minute. If this video helped you, like it, subscribe to Freema Language, and comment, "I speak better English every day." Remember, you don't need perfect English, you need practice. Thank you for learning with Freema Language. See you in the next video.